Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial that blends modern style with simplicity. Start by creating a large vertical canvas, then drop in a subtle gradient background that feels soft but vibrant. Add your main image right in the center. Adjust it with curves until the lighting match your mood. Now bring in your headline, bold, clean and centered, something that captures attention in seconds. Now add a soft drop shadow beneath it to create subtle depth. Then use smaller text for your main tagline, keeping it perfectly aligned with the main title. Use color balance to add warmth and consistency, and if you want